Hi, it's me. Good morning. This is day 4 of moving hell, which is soon over. Today's gonna be IKEA and another trip to trash house, recycle house, or whatever. What do you call it, honey? What do we call it? Recycle center.
No.
Yeah, but instead we can look at the flowers. Much better. So while I was spraying these babies, I saw someone decided to set a flower. So amazing. So this is the part. It's the cutest thing ever. And my she's gonna flower. Oh well. And the Ionians are waking up. Yes. And look, it's all glass. It's beautiful. It's like a conservatory room. Also, guys, very short update of my propagation. What do you call it? Succulent propagation. And look at these babies. Totally amazing. He's doing all this for me, for these guys. And we have right now 19 degrees on the balcony. Look, guys, isn't this amazing? And up there I will have space for Haworthias and other cacti which don't like to have direct sun, because this is south facing balcony, which means we will have sun all day long, and not all cacti like that. So there is place and space for everyone. Isn't it beautiful? And look, I have even more space now. Shh, don't say it aloud. Okay, so
I heard you.
no, you didn't. So this is after of day 4, and I see you. We're building our office over there. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this crazy ride. But yeah, this is how it is. And they are building over there a new kids playground. Okay.
Is which is a species of old spider. That was just a very large spider, and then past that, people just got in the habit of calling any large spider a tarantula. So today's tarantula.
Hey guys, it's me. I'm still alive. It's 10 in the evening, and we are getting ready with all our stuff. See. Ah! Hello!
I'm installing myself in our office, our new office, finally! And this is where my spider's gonna be. Yes, but I have some project to do. I'm gonna film it for you. Now I have to take out my magic mouse. It was resting quite a while in the box, so now I'm gonna set everything up and I'm ready for new movies. Bye. 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 Hello. Today is day 5 of our not progress because we were on birthday party today and now we just started to get everything back and running. So day 5, 0 progress. Good morning YouTube. Day 5 after all was not so unproductive. We did some few stuff and today is day 6 and I start my day with Lini. Hi Lini from YouTube. And now we start with coffee and then going to the old apartment, do some painting job like building ceiling. Oh. So, little update from the balcony, and it is really sunny. And the temperature here is like what, 25, and this is in the shadow. 25 degrees Celsius in the shadow. So that's quite remarkable. But everything's getting as it's supposed to be. So I'm loving it. Yes, sun is shining, bright light. There we have the titi cactus and the other cactus, which requires a little bit more sun right now. But it's really hot. It's like on the shelf up there, it's like what, 22 degrees. 22 degrees on this shelf. Where do we have? Okay, here is the sensor. So this is 22 degrees in the sun. It's probably 30 or something, and it's really nice and bright and it's warm. But I'm kind of worried. Why is it so warm? Oh God. Let's enjoy a second. And here we have a short update from my office. We have my tarantulas, GBB, Camostola, and all this old hiding. And then we have even more here.
Hello.
Hey babe. This is what I did. Lights here. Let me see if I can make the light work? Yeah, I can see LED lights. So when I close it, you can you can see it lights up all the inside. Anyway, this is my workspace, and Hamilton is here. My bad boy. He got the 3 new beds, so I don't really know where he is. Anyhow, good morning, day 7. Welcome to my south balcony in southern Sweden. Today we are almost finished. Just small stuff to do, and let me see, my hobby is almost ready. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Oh, he's making a mess, a big mess. So this room, it's gonna be bedroom, and we're gonna paint it white. So, and he's making shelves for me. So everything. Went fine. And I also just find out that I won a contest. I won a contest!
Yes, you did.
From Ruthie! Thank you so much! This succulent obsession, and she is really amazing. She actually subscribed to me after she saw my channel on another channel who was giving me a shout out. So I'm giving you a shout out, Ruthie. You are amazing, you're doing great, have fantastic idea, and I love this succulent chair, and I will make more videos, I promise, because we are just moving house, so it was really terrible and I'm so tired. But soon. Mwah!